Canada, with its stunning landscapes and welcoming society, has long been a dream destination for individuals and families seeking a better life. The Great White North offers a high standard of living, excellent healthcare, and a multicultural environment that embraces diversity. For skilled professionals around the world, including those in Malaysia, Canada's express entry system has opened doors to fulfilling their immigration aspirations. This system is designed to attract skilled workers who can contribute to Canada's growing economy. The express entry system is a points-based system that assesses candidates based on factors such as their age, education, work experience, language proficiency, and adaptability. It's a competitive system, but don't let that discourage you. With the right guidance and preparation, you can increase your chances of success. That's where BP Management comes in. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the express entry system and make your Canadian dream a reality. Getting started with express entry might seem daunting, but it's a straightforward process when broken down into manageable steps. First, you need to determine your eligibility for one of the 3 federal economic immigration programs managed through express entry: the Federal Skilled Worker Program, the Federal Skilled Trades Program, or the Canadian Experience Class. Each program has specific requirements, so it's crucial to identify the program that best aligns with your skills and experience. Once you've determined your eligibility, you'll need to create an online profile, providing information about your education, work experience, language skills, and other relevant factors. This profile is used to calculate your comprehensive ranking system, CRS score, which determines your ranking in the express entry pool. The higher your CRS score, the better your chances of receiving an invitation to apply, ITA, for permanent residence. Staying up to date with the latest changes to the express entry system is crucial. In 2025, the Canadian government introduced several significant updates, including a new category-based selection system. This system allows the government to target specific skills and occupations that are in high demand across Canada. While this presents exciting opportunities for professionals in certain fields, it also means that competition remains fierce. For Malaysian applicants, specific challenges might arise due to differences in educational systems, work experience recognition, and language proficiency requirements. For instance, ensuring your educational credentials are assessed and recognized in Canada is vital. Similarly, demonstrating your English or French language proficiency through approved language tests is a key requirement. BP Management understands these challenges and can provide tailored guidance to overcome them. You unlock your pathway to Canada.